Okay, this next thing I have here, you'll see it's a inflator, a tire inflator. So we're gonna check this one out. It's the WZ001, and it's AirXwills air compressor. So let's see what this looks like. It's not really heavy, it's just pulling it out of the box. So this is what it looks like in the box. And there it is. And it's got the air compressor with a little trigger. And it comes with actually two, well, it comes with a battery. This one's the battery. And then this one here, it's like, it looks like a battery, but it's the plug-in thingy. I'm gonna try with the battery, see if there's any charge in there. And there it is. So this is what we use to fill up the tires. So this is perfect for my trailer as I'm traveling around. I've got the little adapter here, so I just plug this in. Probably just leave it connected all the time, and there we go. Fill up the tires. And you see on the back, I'll turn it off just there. But there's the pressure gauge, so you can know how much pressure there is. So I'll be able to use it for my bike tires, my trailer tires, and anything else that needs to be inflated. Probably wouldn't want to use it to inflate like an air mattress or something. It's pretty slow. But this is awesome. The AirXwills, and let's see what else it comes with here. It comes with a little inflator. It does come with an inflator to inflate like a little beach ball or a basketball or something like that. The little ones there. And even comes with a little USB adapter. So you can probably use it with anything. So this is awesome. Nice. Feels nice and sturdy too. This is gonna last. Sticking this in the trailer, gonna be able to use this all the time.